This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoy. What up, y'all? Welcome back to CountryBoyModz. We back with another one on the Altima here, as you can see. But yeah. So this video pretty much gonna be how to turn off the traction control on your Altima. This for 2019 all the way up to 2024 that's out. They might be coming out 2025, who knows. But anywho, so pretty much what you want to do, you want to go over here, scroll over to your settings, and then you go to your VDC settings right here. So you click VDC and you see your system right here. You're gonna click it, and then there you go. Turned it off just like that. With this being off, like I said, your traction control is off. It turns off your rear monitoring and your front emergency braking. It turns all that off once you cut that off. Once you cut it back on, you can cut it back on, just like that. You cut it off. But yeah, once you get all that set off, then you can go into your sport mode. As mine's got the shifter, got the paddles and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty much it's simple and easy to cut your traction control off. So we're gonna take it on a little drive real quick, show y'all the difference with the traction, with it on and with it off. All right, as you see, I got the traction control off. Let's go over here to that. Give ourselves a little room. Hopefully this car come on. I'm gonna do a quick little acceleration, nothing too big, no full throttle. But it's just gonna be a quick little acceleration. Let me get on the road here. All right. Just a little quick little acceleration. Nothing major or anything like that. That's with the traction off. Like the steering wheel feels a little bit loose with the traction off. Don't feel as tight as it was before. Let's see. Ready to do another little pull with the traction on, just so y'all can see a little bit of the difference. All right. Quick little acceleration. This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoyModz production.